This feels like one of those hashtag van life, wake up to this every day if you live in a van. When you wake up to that. Goodness gracious me, what? It's hard to imagine when standing here now that all this shore, everywhere you look along here, all along here, and all along, everywhere along there, was cane toads last night. Just everywhere.